Tired of document chaos? Let's ditch the paper piles and digitally transform your workflow with Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account from your dashboard. Click on the New button, then select Send an envelope. Now, upload the document you want to send. You can drag and drop files or browse from your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Next, add your recipients. Enter their names and email addresses in the designated fields. You can set the signing order if needed. Once the recipients are added, it's time to place your fields. Drag and drop signature, date, and other necessary fields onto your document for each recipient. Make sure the fields are correctly positioned and assigned to the right recipient. You can resize and move them as needed. After you've placed all the fields, click the Send button. A confirmation message will appear, and Docusign will automatically email the document to your recipients for signing. Your recipients will receive an email notification from Docusign with a link to review and sign the document. They can sign electronically from any device, anywhere, anytime. You can track the document status from your Docusign dashboard. You'll receive notifications when each recipient has signed. Now you know how to send documents with Docusign. Simplify your document process. Subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.